Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. Are you seeing error 600 when trying to join a Roblox game on your mobile device? In this video, I'll explain what this error means and what you can do if you believe you've been restricted from a specific game. Let's get started. First, it's important to understand that error 600 can be related to a restriction from a particular Roblox experience. It doesn't necessarily mean that your entire Roblox account has been banned. If the error only appears when you try to enter one specific game, the restriction may have been applied by that game's developer or moderation system. To check the situation, open the Roblox app and find the game where you're seeing error 600. Open the game's page and look for information about the developer or community associated with the experience. If the game has an official community, you can check it for announcements, rules, or information about restrictions and appeals. If the developer provides an official way to appeal a game restriction, follow those instructions. When contacting the developer or community moderators, explain the problem clearly and politely. For example, you can mention that you're receiving error 600 when trying to join the experience, and ask whether the restriction can be reviewed. If necessary, provide your Roblox username and any relevant information about the error. Avoid sharing your password or other sensitive account information. You can also check the game's official community pages or other verified social accounts for information about known issues or appeal instructions. Keep in mind that the game developer or moderation team decides whether a game-specific restriction can be removed. Roblox support may not be able to remove a restriction that was applied by an individual experience's developer. Also, don't try to bypass a restriction by using another account or other methods. Instead, use the official appeal process provided by the developer. If your appeal is approved, you may be able to access the game again. If the restriction remains, you can still use Roblox normally to play other experiences that are available to your account. And that's what you need to know about Roblox Error 600 on mobile, and the steps you can take if you're restricted from a specific game. If this video helped you understand the error, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Guide Pro, and turn on notifications for more Roblox tutorials and fixes.